Hi everyone, I'm just going to go through the equations for voltage and current in a series and parallel circuit. So voltage is the pressure and current is the flow of electrons. So the voltage first, the voltage comes from the battery. Each cell is 1.5 volts, so putting two cells together gives 3.0 volts. We have the negative terminal, which is the smaller one, and the positive terminal, which is the longer one. Electrons are negative, so they come out of the negative terminal because they want to get away from it. They go through load number 1, load number 2, and then back into the positive terminal of the battery. Now, according to these equations, the V total is here. All right, so that's the whole total amount of voltage coming through this circuit and this circuit as well. So V2 total equals 3 volts. Now, according to this, it is shared within this series circuit. So this one will only get 1.5 volts, and this one will get 1.5 volts. If there was only one, the light bulb would get 3.0 volts and would be considerably brighter. Now, when you add more to the series circuit, this will be dimmer. And then when you add one more, so 3 light bulbs, it'll be even dimmer. And each will get 1 volt each if there's 3 of them in a series circuit. So that's how voltage works. Okay, in a series circuit. Now, voltage in a parallel circuit, because there's more than one path to flow, here is the first path. Okay, they don't have to share because they have different paths. So this one is the one path, and then here is the second path. So 3.0 volts. Okay, so they don't have to share it. So that's how it works for parallel. Now, when it comes to current, now the current is the flow of electrons. Okay, it's dependent on the voltage. In a series circuit, they're equal because there's only one path to flow. So this one will be typically you will learn out of discovery that the total will be about 0.2 amps, not enough to hurt yourself during creation of these series and parallel circuits in class. So here will be 0.2 amps and 0.2 amps because there's only one path to flow. Okay, so in a parallel circuit, though, they have to the current, the electrons have to decide to go this way, and then they decide to go this way. So there's 2 paths. So a happy little electron will say, "Oh, okay, I'm going to go this way. Sounds pretty cool." And then the other electron's like, "I'm going to go this way. Sounds pretty cool." So there's 2 different paths. So that's when the amps get split up. So here is 1.0 or 0.1 amps, sorry, and this one is 0.1 amps. Okay, so I hope that helps understand current and voltage.